Hello, I'm Kat, and this is Angelica. She's very sleepy. I just woke her up from a nap. Anyway, so the other month, Rickie sent a lovely package for the sweet and darling Angelica. And we're finally getting to it now. I had opened it because I thought it was one of my packages. So let's see what you got. Ooh, look at this. Look at all the pretty lace. I bet you can't wait to get into this. Here, just for now, give you a nice little lacy wig. And then there's one more. What do you think it might be? You excited? Let's see. Okay, that goes there. Should I have given you coffee first? I'll take this as a yes. Oh, they sealed this in good. I can't wait to see you wear that on your body, not just on your head. You want to grab that? Oh. There you go. It's another petticoat. Ooh, that's me fantastic. It's a little short one. Well, you know, you are wearing purple, and black does go well with purple. So, I think you need to put both of these on. All right. Let's see. What can I bribe you with? Well, I can do whatever you'd like. Not enough? Okay. I think, didn't you say there was a video game coming out this month? Or two? I'll tell you what. If you allow me to dress you in this wonderful frilly petticoat and this lovely lace, I'll buy those video games, and then you can have the whole weekend to play them. How's that sound? Is that doable? Fine, we'll also go to your favorite restaurant tonight. And have a little fun afterwards in any way that you want. How's that sound? Does that work? Yay! Perfect. Okay, so stand up. Well, thank you for agreeing. I can't wait to see you in this outfit. Rickie always sends you the most amazing things. Wonderful. Oh, wow. That is some fun lace. Okay, so now for this wonderful petticoat. If I can find, here it is. Oh, this is a tiny little waist. Okay. And put your leg in, either one. Okay, and the next one. Oh, look at you. You are so cute. Oh, this looks so great. You know, we are at Convergence, so if you walk around like this, nobody would say anything. They would just think it's part of the outfit, part of the cosplay. But, so anyway, I will say that I am going to be dressing up in a special anime maid's uniform. And I do have a black petticoat, which I'm also going to put you in as well, because I'm going to see how fluffy it's going to get. And I want to wear the, all this. Everything you got today, I'm going to wear. So this worked out really perfectly. Let's see, where's my other one? Okay, I'm going to put you in this as well. Because I want to see how fluffy. Oh, good. This is, oh wait, no, it's about the same size. Oh, interesting. Okay, so, and because I want to see how fluffy this is going to be and if it's even doable. So you are going to be my guinea pig. Okay, and step through. And step through. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to need you to gather all of this and hold it. Yep. Okay, you can let go now. Wonderful. Let me just, arms up. Beautiful. Let's see if that got any fluffier. I think it did. I think there's some. Okay, so I think this one has to go in first because there's a bunch of fabric holding it down. But yeah, put your arms down now. So, give me a spin. All right, you gotta be ladylike and you gotta throw those hips into it. So spin. There you go. Now can you just do a full body spin? Okay, a full hip spin. Really, there you go, perfect. That was beautiful. All right, so can you curtsy in that? Do you remember how to curtsy? I'm sure you do. So one leg behind, one in front, and then you can just do a little. Oh, you can do better than that. Come on. I will make sure it's worth your while. Perfect. Now do from the back. Let's see, yep, turn. Wonderful. Let's see your curtsy in all of its glory. Beautiful. Turn to me. We'll do it together. Ready? Count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and curtsy. A little delayed there. I will accept you had just woken up. So I will let you, yeah. I'll let it go. Because you're just so cute. Oh, look at this cute face. All right. Well, what do you think? Do you like the fluffiness? Oh, the fluffiness. Oh, it's so soft. You're so gorgeous. Well, I am tempted to put a wig on you and makeup. But it's okay. I know. I don't have all that with me. I have some things. But I think this is fantastic. So let's give Rickie a thank you. So Rickie, thank you so much. I'm going to guess you probably gave us the other petticoat as well. So I'll be wearing both of these and the other thing. So Angelica and I will share. So thank you. You ready for kisses? Okay, now you're gonna do like multiple kisses in a row, like super fast. Then you're blowing them. Try to make sure I don't have any lipstick on. Alright, well thank you so much again, Rickie, for the lovely petticoats and the undergarment. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video of Angelica getting all pretty in her petticoats. She looks darling. And until next time, bye! Mwah. One more time.